Did you know you can completely personalize the look of your Xiaomi Redmi A5? By changing the lock screen and home screen wallpapers, and tweaking the colors, clock style, and contrast, you can make your phone match your personality and visual needs. Let me show you how. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Themes. Here, you'll see a collection of preset wallpapers. Swipe left or right to browse through the options, then tap the one you'd like to use. Once you're satisfied, tap Set as Wallpaper. Now choose whether to apply it only to the lock screen, or tap Apply to both to use it on both the lock screen and home screen. For this guide, let's pick Apply to both. Your wallpaper will now update instantly. To take customization further, tap the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the Wallpaper and Style menu. Let's start with the Lock Screen tab. Tap Clock Color and Size to change how the lock screen clock looks. Under Color, choose from preset options to match your wallpaper. Under Size, select Dynamic if you want the clock to adjust based on screen content, or Small if you prefer a minimal look in the corner. Next, go to the Home Screen tab. Under the Preview, you can customize wallpaper colors. If you want more variety, tap the three dots to see additional color options. You can also enable dark theme for a softer, battery-saving appearance, or try theme icons to give your apps a different look, though note this feature is still in beta. If you want elements to stand out more, tap Color Contrast and select Medium or High Contrast. Pair this with high contrast text to make your text sharper and easier to read, especially on colorful wallpapers. Experiment with different combinations. For example, you can use a bright wallpaper with high contrast text for readability during the day, then switch to a dark wallpaper with dynamic clock size at night for a cleaner look. You can also set a new wallpaper from the Photos app. Just tap Change Wallpaper, then tap My Photos to access all saved photos from your device. Alternatively, you can touch and hold on an empty area of the home screen, then select Wallpaper and Style from the quick menu items. You will be routed straight to the same wallpaper settings menu where you can customize things. And don't worry, none of these changes are permanent. You can always revisit the Wallpaper and Style menu to tweak or reset your design anytime. With just a few taps, your Redmi A5 can feel brand new and more personalized. And that's it. If this video helped you personalize your Redmi A5, give it a like, and check out my other Xiaomi tutorials for more ways to master your device. Thanks for watching.